Hi friends, how are you today? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to raise hand in Zoom. So you can do it through your one of your browsers or through your app too. In both cases, the service is available. So I'm showing it to you through my app, mobile app. Just go to your app, to your meeting, and then click on the reactions option. Here you can see there is an option of raise hand. Just you have nothing more to do, just click on this option. And here you can see your hand is raised. So this is how you can raise your hand, my dear friends. And if you just lower your hand, then again click on it and it will lower your hand. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for today.